Are you ready for the next big move in the crypto world? The buzz around XRP is heating up, and there are some massive shifts coming that could change everything. From a potential legal breakthrough to groundbreaking developments in the XRP ledger, the stage is set for XRP to explode. But what exactly does this mean for its price and the future of the market? Stick around because in this video, we're diving into all the key factors that could push XRP to new heights. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button on MMO Crypto so you can stay ahead of the game with all the latest updates and analysis. Have you been wondering why XRP has been in the spotlight lately? Despite the market's recent quiet phase, XRP is still showing impressive gains. Let's break it down. XRP has shown significant growth, with a 60% increase in the past month and over 250% in the past year, despite recent market stagnation. Okay, let's get real for a second. The market has been pretty stagnant over the past couple of weeks, especially if you're looking at the price charts. Everyone's kind of in this waiting game. But here's the thing. Despite that, XRP is still pushing forward. I mean, when you look at the numbers, it's pretty impressive. Over the last month, XRP has jumped by about 60%. That's no small feat in a market that's been relatively quiet. And it's not just a short-term spike. If we zoom out a bit and look at the one-year performance, XRP has climbed over 250%. Think about that for a second. 250%. That's a massive gain, especially considering how much the overall market has been choppy lately. It's proof that XRP is holding its ground and continuing to grow, even when other assets are just stuck in neutral. I get it, the past few weeks haven't been all that exciting. We've been stuck in this sideways movement. It's frustrating for traders and investors looking for that next big breakout. But here's the silver lining. This isn't the time to panic. XRP's strong performance, even in these stagnant times, shows resilience. And that's what you want to see for any asset in a market that's been as unpredictable as this one. Now, let's talk about why I'm not concerned. This is a prime example of long-term thinking versus short-term noise. Despite the recent lack of big price moves, XRP is still up significantly compared to where it was just a year ago. The fundamentals remain strong, and as soon as the market picks up again, XRP is likely to benefit from that momentum. You can't just focus on the bumps in the road, you have to look at the big picture. So, where does this leave us with XRP's future? Well, if XRP can hold this growth trajectory despite the quiet market period, the potential for explosive gains as the market heats up is real. Once the market shifts back into gear, I wouldn't be surprised to see XRP take off even more. And when you consider the catalysts coming into play in the next few months, the future looks very bright for XRP. Are you ready for the next big wave in the crypto market? While things might feel quiet now, the real action is just around the corner. Let me explain why late 2024 is the time to watch. Major market movements are expected to begin by the end of December 2024, with a 3 to 6 month window for altcoins to see major gains. Okay, so we've all been sitting through some slow weeks in the market. It's been pretty flat, and I know a lot of you are probably feeling like the excitement is gone. But here's where it gets interesting. There's a strong belief that we'll see the biggest market movements start at the end of December 2024. Yes, you heard that right. Just around the corner. Why December? Well, history shows us that some of the biggest market shifts start right at the end of the year. If you remember back to 2020 and 2021, that's when the real breakout happened. We saw a lot of coins consolidate before a massive surge, and many experts believe we're about to see that exact same pattern unfold again by late 2024. So even though we're in a bit of a lull now, this is exactly what happens before the big moves begin. Now let's talk about the timeline. When we say big moves, we're talking about a 3 to 6 month window. What does that mean? Well, starting at the end of 2024, we'll likely see altcoins, including XRP, begin to make significant gains. This isn't just a short-term pump. It's a cycle where altcoins could have a sustained period of growth. For anyone who's been holding on through the quieter months, that's the window when you could see some serious rewards. The thing is, even though we're not seeing those explosive price moves right now, everything is lining up for that next leg up. It's like waiting for the tide to come in. The market is consolidating and getting ready for that push, and those who are patient enough to hold through the quiet phases will likely see the biggest gains once everything starts moving again. So what's my advice? If you're looking at the market right now and feeling a little discouraged by the lack of action, don't worry. The real excitement is still coming. Late 2024 and into 2025 is when the big market movements will really take off. So get ready to ride that wave of growth. Altcoins are about to see some major gains, and you don't want to miss it. XRP is poised for some major growth in the coming months, and there are a few key reasons why. Let's dive into the big catalysts that could send XRP to new heights. The SEC lawsuit potentially coming to an end, the launch of ROUSD, and tokenization on the XRP ledger are key drivers for XRP's future growth. First up, we've all been waiting for this moment, the end of the SEC lawsuit. It's been a long and painful road, but with Gary Gensler stepping down in January 2025, the case could soon be behind us. This could be a game changer for XRP, as the ongoing legal uncertainty has held it back for so long. Once that weight is lifted, we're likely to see the price surge as confidence in the project increases. A clear legal victory would open up new opportunities for Ripple and XRP to expand. Then there's ROUSD, the stablecoin built on the XRP ledger. It's now officially launched on global exchanges, and this marks the beginning of a larger trend: tokenization. ROUSD is just the first of many stablecoins we'll likely see coming to the XRP ledger. As these projects take off, the utility of XRP increases dramatically, which is huge for the ecosystem. Tokenization is the future of finance, and XRP is positioning itself as a key player in that revolution. Beyond just ROUSD, Ripple's commitment to institutional DeFi is another huge catalyst. Ripple is heavily focused on driving decentralized finance, DeFi, adoption with institutional backing. This shift to institutional DeFi on the XRP ledger will bring major players into the space and could unlock significant capital flows. This kind of institutional involvement is what can really take XRP to the next level, making it a major contender in the financial ecosystem. Another important factor to consider is the broader shift in the crypto market itself. With the political landscape shifting and more regulatory clarity emerging, XRP is well positioned to benefit from the evolving environment. Ripple's alignment with pro-crypto policies, especially with potential changes in government leadership, could further boost investor confidence. As the US becomes more crypto-friendly, Ripple's partnerships and XRP's use cases will expand, driving up demand. All these catalysts are coming together to create a perfect storm for XRP's future. From the SEC lawsuit being resolved to the expansion of tokenization and institutional DeFi, XRP has everything in place for explosive growth. The potential is massive, and as these developments unfold, we're likely to see XRP make some serious moves. The future is looking incredibly bright for XRP, and these are the key drivers behind that growth. Ripple is about to ride a major wave thanks to the political climate, and it's got everything to do with the pro-crypto stance of the Trump administration. Here's why this could be a big win for XRP. Ripple is positioned to benefit from the pro-crypto stance of the Trump administration, which could lead to a significant market boost. Let's start with the big picture. The Trump administration has been vocal about its pro-crypto stance, and that's exactly what Ripple needs. As we know, Ripple has faced a lot of regulatory challenges, especially with the SEC lawsuit. But with a new administration that's in favor of pushing crypto forward, Ripple could find itself in the perfect position to thrive. This political shift could lead to better regulations, more clarity for Ripple, and overall a much more favorable environment for XRP. Now, why is this important for XRP? Well, when we think about the future of cryptocurrency in the US, one of the biggest factors is regulation. A more crypto-friendly government would likely create policies that foster growth in the industry. Ripple, being one of the most prominent crypto projects, stands to gain from these changes. Whether it's tax policies, clearer guidelines for crypto projects, or better institutional support, this pro-crypto environment will likely help XRP skyrocket. Beyond regulations, we're talking about broader market support. A pro-crypto administration means that crypto adoption could skyrocket. Big institutions, traditional financial companies, and even more retail investors could enter the space with the right government support. Ripple, with its focus on institutional DeFi and tokenization, is perfectly aligned to benefit from this surge. As Ripple positions itself as a leader in this space, XRP could see its adoption and demand increase significantly. Another factor is Ripple's ongoing efforts to strengthen its connections with major financial institutions, which could be a game changer under a pro-crypto administration. Ripple has already made waves in the banking world with its cross-border payments solutions, and as regulations become clearer, we'll likely see more partnerships form. This would significantly increase XRP's utility, helping it to further cement its position as a key player in the crypto world. Ultimately, the Trump administration's pro-crypto policies create an ideal environment for Ripple to thrive. With regulatory support and the broader crypto ecosystem likely to expand, XRP is poised to benefit in a big way. As the market evolves, Ripple is positioned to lead the charge, and XRP could be one of the main beneficiaries of this political shift. If you're holding XRP, the future is looking even brighter with these changes on the horizon. Bitcoin has been the king of the crypto world for a while. But what happens when its dominance starts to wane? Let's explore how Bitcoin dominance is currently affecting altcoins like XRP and why a shift could lead to a major surge. Bitcoin dominance is currently suppressing altcoin growth, but a decrease in dominance could lead to a surge for XRP and other altcoins. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is a big player in the market. For those who don't know, Bitcoin dominance refers to the percentage of the total market capitalization that Bitcoin makes up. When Bitcoin dominance is high, altcoins like XRP struggle to gain momentum because Bitcoin is absorbing most of the market's attention and investment. That means altcoins are often left in the dust, struggling to break out and make significant price movements. But here's the interesting part. When Bitcoin dominance starts to decrease, that's when altcoins, including XRP, can really shine. A drop in Bitcoin dominance typically means that money is flowing out of Bitcoin and into altcoins. This shift is a natural part of the market cycle, and it's something altcoin holders, especially XRP holders, should be watching closely. If Bitcoin dominance continues to fall, it would give XRP the breathing room it needs to make its big move. Now let's talk about the impact this could have on XRP. If Bitcoin dominance drops, XRP could see an influx of capital, which would drive up its price. Remember, Bitcoin has been hogging the spotlight for a long time, and while it's been great for Bitcoin, the rest of the market has been suppressed. If Bitcoin starts to lose its grip on the market, XRP and other altcoins could experience explosive growth as investors start to diversify their portfolios. However, we also have to keep in mind that Bitcoin dominance isn't going to fall off a cliff overnight. It's a gradual process, and as Bitcoin continues to trade sideways or face resistance at key levels, we might see this shift play out. In the meantime, altcoins like XRP will have to stay patient. But once that shift happens, it could be a massive opportunity for those holding altcoins to see some big returns. To sum it up, Bitcoin dominance has been a double-edged sword for altcoins like XRP. While it's kept the market focused on Bitcoin, a decrease in dominance could set the stage for altcoins to surge. If Bitcoin's grip on the market loosens, XRP could experience the momentum it's been waiting for, leading to significant price increases. It's all about timing. And if you're paying attention to the dominance charts, you'll be able to spot that perfect moment when XRP could break out. XRP is quietly setting up for something big, and it's all in the charts. Ever heard of a bull flag pattern? Let's break down why XRP's current formation could signal a massive breakout soon. XRP is currently forming a bull flag pattern, indicating a strong potential for a breakout and significant price movement once resistance is surpassed. Right now, if you look at the XRP chart, there's something that stands out, a bull flag pattern. For those unfamiliar with this pattern, it's essentially a consolidation phase where the price moves in a sideways direction after a strong upward trend. This is often a sign that the market is gathering strength before making its next big move. XRP is in the middle of this setup, and what comes next could be huge. The key thing to note here is that a bull flag is a continuation pattern. It happens after a strong rally, and then the price consolidates in a flag-like shape. It's like the market is taking a breather, catching its breath, before making the next big leap. This suggests that once XRP breaks through the resistance level, we could see a sharp upward move. This type of pattern typically indicates that there's pent-up momentum waiting to be released. So why should you care about this? Well, a breakout above the resistance level that forms the top of the flag could trigger a significant price move. The longer the consolidation phase lasts, the bigger the potential for the breakout. In XRP's case, the longer it stays in this pattern, the more powerful the potential surge could be once it breaks through. This isn't just random price action. It's a sign that the market is preparing for something bigger. Now, what does this mean for you as an investor? If you're holding XRP, this could be a key moment to watch closely. As XRP continues to form this bull flag, it's creating a perfect setup for a breakout. If XRP breaks through the resistance, the rally could be sharp and fast, potentially leading to significant gains. So, keeping an eye on these levels could position you to capitalize on the next big move. In summary, XRP's bull flag pattern is a strong technical signal that the coin could be gearing up for a breakout. The longer it consolidates, the bigger the potential upward move once it surpasses resistance. If you've been waiting for XRP to make a big jump, this pattern could be the signal you've been waiting for. The stage is set, and it's all about timing the breakout. Is XRP ready to break its all-time high? After years of consolidation, we could be on the verge of something massive. Let's dive into the long-term price predictions and why XRP's future looks brighter than ever. Let's be clear. XRP has been through a lot. It's faced regulatory battles, market fluctuations, and periods of stagnation. But despite all that, XRP has held steady. The key here is that it has been consolidating for years. This long period of price action without any explosive movements is a classic setup for a big breakout. Think about it. After years of building pressure, the potential for a major price surge is on the horizon. Due to years of consolidation, XRP could potentially reach new all-time highs, with price targets of $15 to $20 in the long run as the crypto market continues to develop. Because of this extended consolidation, XRP is in a unique position. When we look at the bigger picture, we see that the crypto market is evolving rapidly. More institutional players are getting involved, and the regulatory environment is becoming clearer. All of this points to an environment where XRP could finally see its potential realized. Some experts believe that XRP could hit price targets between $15 to $20 in the long run, an impressive increase from its current value. Now, let's talk about the factors that could drive XRP to these new heights. For starters, the continued growth of the XRP ledger, tokenization, and DeFi could fuel demand for XRP. As more use cases for XRP emerge, especially in the institutional space, the token's utility will increase. This added demand could push the price higher, especially once we move past some of the current obstacles, like the SEC lawsuit. Another reason XRP's price targets could reach $15 to $20 is due to the overall growth of the crypto market. We're entering a new phase where cryptocurrencies are becoming more integrated into traditional finance. As crypto adoption accelerates, assets like XRP that have real-world use cases will benefit the most. XRP's use in cross-border payments, DeFi, and tokenization could push its price into new all-time highs as the market matures. To sum it up, the years of consolidation have positioned XRP perfectly for a major breakout. With growing adoption, increased utility, and a more favorable regulatory environment, XRP is set to potentially hit new price levels in the long term. While no one can predict the future with certainty, the path ahead for XRP looks incredibly promising. If you've been holding XRP, it might just be worth the wait, as the future price could be significantly higher than we've seen before. That's a wrap on today's breakdown of the key factors driving XRP's potential growth, from the SEC lawsuit nearing its end, the launch of ROUSD, to the big opportunities in the crypto market by the end of 2024. With all these catalysts, XRP is set for potentially reaching new all-time highs in the long run. If you're following this exciting journey and want to stay updated with the latest crypto news and in-depth analysis, don't forget to subscribe to the MMO Crypto channel. And if you're looking to connect, discuss, and share insights, join our Telegram group via the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.